Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off Do Not Disturb mode on our HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. Now, our DND is now enabled. We can see a little moon here. To turn it off, we have to go to the settings, scroll down to sound and vibration. Do Not Disturb is turned on. To turn it off, we simply have to uncheck this little box here, and now our phone is functioning as it should be. DND is off. We can see our moon here. The DND do not disturb option is now disabled. And that is all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.